does using macros and using the type definitions, custom type definitions I mean, is very hard. Don't worry, I solve it in this video. With the macro writing and using custom definition and type definitions. So let's dive into the project and write our codes. So I use the main3.h and main.cpp file in here. So let's make our application. At the first time, I am using the simple this macro. If and def main3h and duplicate this one, hash define, and finally endif. This prevents the this will prevent from every memory leak and duplication in the compiling processing, and this is sometimes you use one single header file for multiple CPPs. To fix the duplication header files, you have to separate them, just this. Include main3 This is mistake, but this is a bad mistake, guys. Don't do this. But in this project doesn't have any problem. But in the bigger programs, it can be bad or something like that. Let's continue. Macros are shortcuts or placeholders that are the processor replaces before the code is compiled. They are defined using hash define and can be used to create constant or code snippets. The syntax of the macro is the hash define and then macro name and finally macro definition. User-defined data types are those data types that are defined by the user himself. In C++, these data types allow programmers to extend to the basic data types provided and create new types that are more suited to their specific needs. C++ supports the 5 user data types. These data types are class, structure, union, enumerator, and typedef. In this project, I use the typedef, and the hardest part is the typedef. I recommend you to watch this video that's available in my channel. After making the data type, we can use it as a specific function. This is the recursive function we made. If this is related to the data structures. If you want to learn more, you can search on the Google or chat with ChatGPT. Now we are using macro in here. After making our custom type, we have to put name on it. I initialized my variable like this, but it depends on yourself. How do you want to write your program and initialize your variables? And we can call our function with the custom type we made inside a macro, as you can see on the screen. And finally, let's open the terminal and check the result. And you see, we solved the problem.